Today, I'm going to teach you how to edit audience in Google Ads. This is incredibly useful when you want to refine your targeting, reach the right people, and make sure your ad budget is being spent effectively on audiences that actually convert. First, you'll need to head over to ads.google.com and log into your Google Ads account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard where all your campaign activity lives. From here, direct your attention to the left navigation menu and locate the option labeled Campaigns. Click on it to proceed. This section is where you manage all aspects of your advertising campaigns, including the audiences you're targeting. After clicking on Campaigns, the menu will expand to reveal several additional options. Look for the drop-down labeled Audiences, Keywords, and Content and click on it. This drop-down contains all the tools you need to manage who sees your ads and what triggers them. From the selection that appears, find and click on Audiences. This is the control center for all your audience settings and performance metrics. Now you'll be taken to a page where you can see your audience performance broken down by various demographics. You'll notice details like age, gender, income levels, and parental status. These insights help you understand who's engaging with your ads. To make changes, locate the Audience Performance section and click on Select an Audience. This action opens up the editing interface where you can modify your targeting parameters. A list of all your existing audiences will now appear on your screen. Browse through this list and select the specific audience you wish to edit by clicking on it. Each audience represents a different segment of users you've previously configured, so make sure you're choosing the right one before proceeding. Once you've selected your audience, a right side panel will slide into view. This panel is where the magic happens and where you can fully customize and refine your audience settings. Start by entering a new audience name if you'd like to update it for better organization. Next, adjust the demographics to better align with your target market. You can tighten or broaden age ranges, gender preferences, income brackets, and more depending on your campaign goals. From here, you can also add interest keywords that help Google understand what topics and behaviors define your ideal customer. Additionally, you have the option to add a data segment, which allows you to incorporate first-party data or remarketing lists. You can even add custom search terms to target users based on specific queries they've made. If there are certain audience types you want to exclude, perhaps because they haven't been converting well, you can configure those exclusions right from this settings panel as well. Once you've made all your adjustments and you're satisfied with the new audience configuration, click on Save. Your changes will now be applied to your campaign and your ads will begin targeting this newly edited audience. This level of control ensures your advertising efforts are as precise and effective as possible. And there you have it, you've successfully edited your audience in Google Ads and fine-tuned your targeting strategy. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.